In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or archive Loom videos. If your Loom workspace is getting cluttered, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to tidy it up by archiving videos you might want later or permanently deleting ones you're done with. We'll move through the process on the Loom website so everything is clear and easy to follow. First, head to your Loom homepage and make sure you're on the For You area. This is the default landing view where you can quickly access your recent content. From there, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Library. The library is where all of your videos live, and it's the best place to browse everything you've recorded or uploaded. Find the video you want to manage, hover over it, or look to the right of its title and open the three-dot menu. This menu is your quick actions hub. To keep a video but remove it from your main workspace, choose Archive. Archiving is great when you don't need a video visible every day, but you aren't ready to delete it. Think of it like putting it in storage. It's out of sight in your library, but still available if you need it later. Now, if you've decided that a video is no longer needed and you want it gone for good, go to your archive. You'll find Archive in the same left-hand sidebar. Open it, locate the video you just archived, and open the three-dot menu again. Select Delete. Loom will then ask you to confirm. When you're sure, click Permanently Delete. This final action removes the video from your workspace entirely and cannot be undone, so double check that you really don't need it before you proceed. A couple of quick notes to help you manage content confidently. Archiving is reversible, so it's a safe choice when you're decluttering but might return to a video later. Permanent deletion is final, so if the content is important, consider whether you need a copy saved elsewhere before you remove it. Also, if you're in a team workspace, you may only be able to archive or delete videos you own or have permission to manage. If you don't see the options described here, check that you're viewing a video you created or contact your workspace admin. That's it. By using the library to find your videos, the three-dot menu to archive, and the archive view to permanently delete, you can keep your Loom workspace clean and organized with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.